Today's topic in Microsoft Word is about mailing menu. You can see that my mailing menu is selected, but no command is active because there is no file opened in Microsoft Word. We need a blank file that contains no text. For mailing menu, first of all, I'm going to create a new file. For that purpose, we can go to File and click New Blank Document or press Ctrl N from our keyboard and create a blank file. The first command in the mailing menu is that envelope. Envelope command is used to create a custom envelope of your own. Custom envelope help us to print pre-made or customized envelopes that contains our company name, our company logo, and this type of thing. So for that purpose, we'll go to envelope command. Here we have got two things. First of all, it says write the delivery address and write the return address. For delivery address, for example, I'm going to find the address of technical board, Peshawar. For that purpose, I need Google. And I'm going to find BTE Peshawar address. Here we have KPK BTE website, which is showing us the address of that board, and I'm going to copy this address. Now we are going to post a letter for BTE Peshawar, so we'll paste the delivery address of BTE Peshawar over here. Here we have got the address of KPK BTE Peshawar, where we have proper location, phone number, fax number of BTE Peshawar. Below, there is another option that says the return address. What is your address? Insider address of your company. Now, I have typed the address of my academy, Professional Institute of Computer Training, Yusuf Jamal Plaza, Ahmedabad, KPK, Pakistan, and my phone number over here. You can type your mobile number also. Now, there's an option preview. Let's move on to this option. It shows that what size of envelope do you want. Okay, we have multiple types of envelopes. For example, size 6. This is a little envelope of 3.5 by 6 inches. Size 9, 3.7 by 8 inches. Size 10, 4 by 9 inches. Size 11, 4 by 3.5 inches. Size 12, B4, B5, A4, A5. It contains a multiple envelope sizes. Okay, because envelope is not a simple document, it may contain any size. Most often we use this envelope, 4 by 9 inches, standard envelope size. Okay, this is size 10, standard letter size. If you have large pages, big file to send through TCS, to send through any mailing service, then you will prepare a large size envelope. Now I have selected a medium size envelope over here. Okay, now we'll click OK. Next option is add to document, print. Print is used to print this envelope directly so that you may send it to any location you want to send. Add to document will add it to your document. Next is options. Options is also showing you the sizes of envelope and printing options. Okay, I'm going to click add to documents. Now my envelope is ready. I can print it anytime I need. If I want my logo over here, for that purpose, I will click Insert Picture, this device, and we will bring our logo. For example, I need this logo to be placed on my envelope. This is larger in size. We can reduce the size of the envelope. We can set the properties of picture, like I set it to square in wrapping. Now it's in its proper place. My envelope is ready. I can print it and use it as my own customized envelope. Let's see the next command, that is about labels. What is label? This thing is called label. Address place on letter envelope is called label. Most often we write letters to this technical board, Peshawar. I want to print multiple labels of address. So I will click the label command. For that purpose, we'll just choose the command label and type the desired address of which we want to make the labels. Here we have option label. We'll go here and half letter, 1/4 of the letter. These are showing, this is showing me the sizes of labels. For example, half letter says that your page, your label size will be 8.5 by 5.5 inches. 1/4 of letter shows me that your label height will be 4.5 by 5.5. In the similar way, I have got many sizes of labels. I am going to choose this simple size, 30 per page. This label is 2.63 inches in height and 0.19 inches in margin. Okay, I clicked here. It is showing me the proper sizing of this label. How much will it will be in size? I can edit the size also over here. Now we'll click OK. After choosing the size of label, we have other sizes also. You can choose any of the size you want to print. Now I have selected this one, 30 per page with 2.63 by 1 inches. Now we'll click OK and click new document, not add to document. Okay. After clicking new document, it will prepare a 30 labels document for me. I can print it and I can paste these labels to any document. If you want to resize it to your own choice, go to the same menu, select labels and choose the size, whatever size you want. For example, I need this size. How it will look like? It will look like this. Okay. I'm going to click OK and new document. It will prepare me that size labels. Okay. Now these are only 4. The other I have prepared were 30 in number. So that's how you can prepare the labels. Next command is mail merge. Mail merge means to send multiple letters, to send multiple emails to someone. For example, I want to send a letter to all of my students. For that purpose, I will use mail merge. I want to prepare a receipt, fee receipt for each of my students. Then I'll use the same command, mail merge. I have multiple employees. For example, I've got 500 employees in my company and I'm going to prepare the salary slip of each employee. We'll use the mail merge. Mail merge helps us a lot. For example, I want to write a letter to all of my DIT students. Now I have 2 methods of writing that letter. First of all, I will type letter once. Then I'll make the copies. For example, I've got 150 students in my IT class. So I'll make the copy of that letter up to 150 copies, and then I'll write the name and address of each student on each copy. It will take my whole day. On the other hand, I'll just prepare a list of my students first, then I'll write the letter once, and I'll ask Microsoft Word to prepare number of letters for me. Microsoft Word will take only 10 seconds to prepare 150 letters for me. This method is known as mail merge. So it's very important. Let's see one demonstration of this mail merge. Okay. For that purpose, we'll create a new file new, blank document. Here it is a new file. Now we'll go to mailing menu, start mail, merge. Here we have got many options. What are you going to prepare? Letter, email, envelope, label, or directory? At that time, I need to create letter. So I'll choose the option letter. Next to that, it says select the recipients. Recipients means the persons who will receive the letter. Let's see what are options here. Type a new list, use an existing list, choose from the Outlook. Type a new list is used to create a new list of recipients. Use existing list means that I have prepared a list already and I'm going to add that list over here. I will do it tomorrow. Also, today we will type a new list. Okay. For that purpose, I'll click type a new list. Now, let's see. What does the list says? Title, first name, last name, company name, address. I'm going to write the title is exam information. I'm going to write it to Ali. Father name is Usman, company name is picked, and address is Abbottabad. We'll click new entry. And in the similar way, I'm going to write all my records. For which I'm going to prepare the letter. I think these 4 records are enough for today. We'll click OK after typing the records. After preparing the list, computer will say save address list. To save the list, we'll type any name for the list. For example, this time I'm going to give it the name of C and I'm going to save it. I have already 2 lists over here. Now I'm going to click save. It will be saved in my documents folder, in my data sources folder. Okay. Now it says added recipient list. You can edit the list of your recipients from over here. I'm not going to edit it. Now what we'll do, we'll type a letter. Okay. For example, I don't have a letter this time. I'm going to write only 2 sample paragraphs. These are enough. Now I want the names, addresses of my students that I've typed in the list. For that purpose, first of all, I need a greeting line. I will choose option greeting line. Greeting line will be added. That's like dear sir, dear madam, respective student. This will be the greeting line. Next to that, I have the button insert march field. Here I have all the fields that I was filling in the recipient list. I will click title, then enter. I'll choose the other field, first name, click enter. I will choose last name, enter. I'll choose company name, enter, and I'll type the address and press enter. Now my letter format is ready. We'll go to last button of this bar and click finish and march. We'll choose the option added individual document. It means prepare a separate document for each student. We can also choose print documents. Okay, and we can also choose send emails. Now I'm going to choose added individual documents and click OK. You can see that dear Usman, exam information, and this is showing me the first letter. I'm going to move down. This is the second letter. This is the third letter, and so on. We have got four letters because I gave only four records to MS Word. If I gave it 150 records, it will prepare 150 letters for me. If I give it 1000 record, it will prepare 1000 letters for me in the similar manner. That's how you can use the mail merge menu.